Good morning, everyone. We welcome you to our video on service tax implications on medical tourism. Medical tourism is a recent trend which has seen an exponential rise where patients travel to different countries in pursuit of medical treatment. Recently, the departmental authorities launched investigations against various medical practitioners rendering these services by contending that these services were exigible to service tax and were not covered within the exemption entry of healthcare services. In this video, we'll be discussing the brief background of the issue, department's viewpoint on this issue, Nitya's take on the same, way forward that the medical practitioners must adopt for handling these investigations, and related issues. Coming to the background of the issue, the patient who is located overseas shares his medical condition with a doctor who is located in India. Basis the information shared by the patient, the doctor conducts a diagnosis and prognosis. He suggests certain medical tests and the required medical treatment. He also provides a list of hospitals in India providing for the said treatment. Basis the list of hospitals provided by the doctor, the patient selects the hospital of his choice and communicates it to the doctor. Pursuant to that, the doctor makes arrangement for visa, accommodation, coordination and appointment with the doctors and hospital admission. Once all this is done, the patient arrives in India for the treatment. During this, the doctor takes care of coordinating with the doctors during the treatment, undertaking hospital care and supervision, following up with the doctors. Once the treatment is over, the patient returns back to the home country. The doctor undertakes post-treatment follow-up for any side effects, etc. The doctor receives certain fee from the hospitals. The department has issued show cause notice raising demand of service tax on this fee. As per the department, the doctors are rendering service to the hospitals. Their activities are not covered within healthcare service, which is exempt from service tax. Healthcare services precisely refer to the diagnosis, treatment for any illness, etc. by a medical practitioner, paramedics or a clinical establishment. The fees which is received by the doctors from the hospital forms the consideration for service, and service tax is payable on the said fees. Basis this, the show cause notice had been issued where interest and penalty has also been imposed and the demand has been raised for last 5 years. Coming to Nitya's take, the services of doctors are exempt from service tax as they are covered within the definition of healthcare services provided in the mega exemption notification. The ancillary service of arranging visa, accommodation, coordination with the doctors, etc. are also covered within healthcare services as bundled services. The methodology adopted for computing value of service tax is arbitrary and incorrect. The invocation of extended period of limitation in these cases is incorrect as the issue is one involving interpretation of the expression healthcare services. No interest and penalty can be imposed in these cases. Coming to way forward for medical practitioners to handle these litigations, of detailed factual analysis needs to be done with respect to the nature of services provided by each medical practitioner. A thorough examination needs to be done vis-a-vis the arrangement of the medical practitioners with the hospitals. They must contest these notices on merits as well as limitation. It is critical to put all facts on record at the first stage itself along with all legal arguments. This issue holds equal importance in the GST regime as well. Coming to related issues, a memorandum of understanding has been signed between the CBDT and CBIC for exchange of information. Basis this, the doctors have come under scanner on the basis of income that has been disclosed by them in their income tax returns. The department has started issuing show cause notices demanding service tax from the doctors on the services rendered by them. It is imperative that the doctors handle these litigations diligently and address all the concerns that are raised by the department. We thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to reach out to us.